Morning, welcome to another episode of Initial Speed. This episode we are going to replace some blown out shocks. 2011 VW Jetta. So first, of course, remove the hubcap, loosen the bolts, get the car up, jack stands for safety, get the wheel off, then we'll get inside and pull out the shock, change them over, reassemble everything, and then take it for a test drive. Come along for a ride. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so once the wheel is off, you've got to move that wheel well liner. And next will be to pull those two bolts, pull this bolt here, and then we'll remove this, remove the top housing, and transfer the top to the new shock, and put everything back together. All right. Okay. Alright, let's give that a shot and see if we can get that banged out quickly. Okay. Alright, so we've managed to get in there, remove the shock. Those are the pieces. There's the old one. So with this, we had to get a little creative in that you've got to hold the top and spin the nut off. So what we did was we used two vice grips, one to pinch that top and one to spin the nut off. Got to do what you got to do sometimes, right? When you don't have the right tools. Anyhow, we've got Oren, my friend here. Say hey.
All right.
It's his car we're working on, so giving him a hand, teaching him how to get some things done, some maintenance stuff. So now we're going to put this shield back on with the bump stop, get the top back on, and basically do in reverse the way we got the old one off. All right, I need two hands. You gotta hang on and see the final product. So basically what happens is if the shock fails, this bump stop, keep it from bottom up. Alright, just for comparison purposes for you. Alright, Oren, squeeze. Let go. See how fast that comes back out? That's what shock means. Let's see one of the old ones. And waiting. Or as they say,
2 weeks later.
2 weeks later.
2 hours later.
Like, it stopped. Oh no, it's coming out, but it's so slow. So, that's basically the difference between a good one and a bad one. You want the good one to come back out to prep for the next wheel compression, right? So, this one, because it's going, it's not completely dead yet, because when it's dead, it doesn't come back out. Like, you've got to fight to pull it back out. So the difference is, you want it to come back out to get ready for that next compression or pothole, whatever, right? But yeah, those are the differences between a good one and one that is going. All right, driver's side is in, passenger side is going in. I hope I was a half decent teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah? You understand what's going on? Good.
You need to jack it up like a little bit.
Jack it up a little bit. More?
Yeah. A little bit more. Alright.
Good?
Yep.
Update time. Alright. So one is in. 2 bolts there, nicely tight. That's firm, not going anywhere. Those are tight. Just to put this back and put the wheels back on, put the car on the ground, take it for a little test drive, and enjoy. Okay, so jack it up, and then you're going to remove the stand, and then we can put her down. Ready? Coming down. Okay. We're going to torque them up. (2011) VW Jetta. Torque is 89 foot-pounds. Tight. Okay. Already set. So on our test drive, and everything is feeling, well, let's ask the owner. How's it feeling?
It's feeling good.
Better than before?
Yeah.
Nice and tight?
Yep.
Beautiful. Mission accomplished. We're just taking a little ride to check things out.